Hello and welcome to the Saitama Stadium. And our live game is Atalanta against Lazio. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Thanks for that, Peter. Hi everyone. The excitement has really picked up now and I'm eager for the action to start.
Then the lineups for this game. We're underway. Well positioned to make that interception. Romagnoli. Will be a throw-in. Now the pass. Looks to slip it through. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Yeah, the communication lines were working really well, but the supply line just had a bit of a blockage.
Looks like a good ball through. He's had a shot! That is wayward.
Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Romagnoli. Lazio get it back again. Ball's out on the left now. Tries to get it forward quickly. Atalanta yet to have a shot on target. That's great defensive work. It doesn't take too much imagination to guess what would have happened otherwise. Who's going to make this theirs? Great challenge. And that's a throw-in. Battles to win it back. Passes it through. He's made certain that won't get through. Floats one over. Gets into some space. Away from immediate danger. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. On the right now, what's on? And he's onside!
Well, when the keeper lost control of that, usually a striker would react first, so that defender deserves praise.
Plays it out to the wing. spoon forward. Sticks in a foot to win it back. And that's surely a foul. Free kick. No, that's not going to find its target. Hoists it high. Back in once more. Chip through. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Out wide to the right. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. The referee's awarded a free kick. A lovely delivery, it deserved better.
In this game, you're always striving to gain an advantage or produce a little surprise element to things, and the quicker the delivery, I think the more chance you have, and they should have done better there.
And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. The defence can get it clear. Into the channel. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Deftly done. Ball in, just miscalculated. Referee's had a look and he's blown his whistle for half-time. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing has been created for them. I think the service has been extremely poor.
No goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. 0-0 then, and we're back underway. In again. He's gone for it! And the ball's come out. Boots it upfield. Brings it forward. He'll have a dip! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Well, I think the opposition was pretty sloppy in creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
Tries the route one option. Pushes it out wide. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. It's come loose. And the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. That'll be a throw. Tries a through ball. Fence has got rid of that. Now the pass. Cuts it out and back to base. Good defending. He knew he had to stop it right there. What a throw in. Passes it through. The shot's on! Had a swing, but it wasn't to be.
Well, no doubt if he'd sacrificed some of the power he was trying to put into that and favour a better technique, then I think he might have had more joy.
Pumps it upfield. So much has happened in this game, but still no goal.
Yes, and it's been far from uneventful. We've had a healthy amount of attempts at goal from both teams, and with this kind of ambition, we may not have to wait too long.
And the flag has stayed down. Looks to slip it through. This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Aimed long and direct. Looks like a good ball through. Can he find a finish now? Lovely feet. Get that clear. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. Now here's the through ball. A chance! It goes to show he is human after all.
I think he's having trouble coming to terms with missing a golden opportunity. That may weigh quite heavily.
Hurtles into the tackle. It's a fabulous position. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside.
Oh, it looked like a training ground drill that almost worked a treat, only for that flag to go up. He just went a tad early.
Passes it through. Looks to slip it through. Oh, good interception. Back to the keeper and go again. Romagnoli pumps it upfield. Promising cross. And they've been given a corner. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. Cross deflected behind for a corner. And that should be the keeper's.
Well, they're supposed to be chasing a goal, and yet there's no urgency or sense of awareness. They've got to wake up.
He's made sure that that won't get through. It's a throw-in. Clears it out of harm's way. Whose ball? Who's going to get there? Good clearance and very necessary. Into stoppage time, whistle due any moment. Tries a long pass towards the front. It's a long forward pass. And that's it. Well, it looked 0-0 from a fair way out. Little craft or guile or penetration. Defence is largely untroubled. It's goals. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final reckoning, it's honours even and no complaints.
So that's it from us. Many thanks go to Jim Beglin, and goodbye from us.